So before you start to bathe a newborn baby, you need to get everything set and ready. Things like bathtub, sizable bowl for mixing hot and cold water, antiseptic for disinfecting baby's bathing water. Though I don't recommend it for bathing newborn babies, I don't use this until my baby is 2 years old. Towel for dabbing baby's body with hot water. Mouth towel for cleaning the baby's tongue and mouth. Soft sponge. Bucket of cold water. Shower gel. Hot water. Small chair. Make sure that the chair is very comfortable and balanced. Body towel. Powder. Hair oil. Comb. Cotton bud. Baby's clothes. Diaper. Always get a good diaper for your baby. I forgot to include moisturizer. It's very important for moisturizing baby's buttock before wearing the baby diapers. So everything is set and ready. Now let's go straight to the business of the day. So I was lucky to have my mom around after delivery to take care of my baby and I. So she was the one that bathed my baby till he was 2 months old. So the first and foremost thing to do is to gently clean the baby's mouth and tongue with soft towel before removing the baby's clothes to avoid cold entering the baby's body. So after you must have done this, you can now start dabbing the baby's body with hot water, as you can see in this video. So enjoy the rest of the video. No gbajie nya ọnụ ya.
Na-eme asị na Chukwu adịghị ekesi mmadụ ofu ụbọchị. Ọ nwayọ nwayọ na-eweta kọlụ. na-ekesi mmadụ ofu ụbọchị. Udo nwa m.
Etu ọzọ ya n'otube. Etoro ya mmiri ọkụ n'otu.